We live in a world that loves instant results. We can order food in minutes, we can stream movies instantly, and access information with a single click. And it's no surprise that many of us think we can do the same thing with our personal growth. We want to feel better quickly, we want clarity immediately, we want change to happen as soon as possible. But meaningful change rarely happens overnight. Whether it is building strength in the gym or building resilience, self-awareness, and emotional regulation in therapy, growth requires patience, consistency, and commitment. And perhaps the most important thing is progress. Sometimes social media can term growth as a before and after story. One breakthrough conversation, one powerful realization, and one life-changing moment. And while those moments can happen, but growth actually happens very quietly. And it's often found in the small choices that we make repeatedly. The decision to show up, the decision to reflect, the decision to try again. Real change is usually less than flipping a switch, but sowing the seed. And you don't plant a seed today and expect a tree tomorrow. You water it, you nurture it, you trust the process. Personal growth works in much the same way. And one reason that growth can feel frustrating is because we want instant results, and growth is usually slow. One reason growth is frustrating is because we focus on the outcomes than the process. And we ask ourselves, why isn't this easier? Why am I having the same conflict? Why am I not completely over this yet? But healing and growth are rarely linear. And there'll be moments when you feel like you're taking 2 steps ahead, but then the next go you're taking 2 steps back or 2 steps sideways. Well, growth is spiral and it's not linear. Sometimes progress isn't about never feeling the same things again, but recognizing them sooner. Responding differently, being kind to yourself, setting boundaries, asking support when you need. And it's very important to acknowledge that therapy isn't a quick fix. A counselor can't wave a magic wand and make your problems disappear, but therapy space is a safe space for anyone to understand their problems, recognize their patterns, reframe their thoughts, regulate emotions, pick on coping mechanisms, and more so build a healthier relationship with yourself. And growth just doesn't happen in the therapy space, it happens outside of the sessions as well. And that work takes courage. And one of the biggest barriers to growth is that we need to do everything perfectly. And the thought that, oh, I've not done this, so I am a failure. Perfection is not something that we can go after, but progress is something that we can surely go for. And progress allows rooms for mistakes, for learnings, for being human. It also asks one more question. Am I moving in the direction that I want to go, even though the steps may seem small? So if you're on a journey of personal growth, it's always one step at a time, and celebrate the small shifts. Acknowledge the effort that you are making, and growth isn't built in a day, it is built through consistent effort, patience, commitment. If you're considering counseling and would like to work on self-awareness, emotional regulation, or anything that's on your mind, you can please feel free to reach out to me. You can fill up the form which is in my bio, and we can get started on this journey.